In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple WordPress sites without burning out. Now, the main challenge of managing WordPress sites is if you're building a simple website, then it's a one-time, you don't have to manage it all. But if you're running a blog content on a WordPress site, then it is, difficult and it is very burning out managing multiple WordPress sites. If you're an SEO agency, then you have multiple clients who you want to write blog articles. That's where the AI SEO agents takes place and AI SEO writers takes place. So this is something which I've been using a while. So we have developed this software to make you ease out. So what it does is if you go into the blog automation, and here you can click on new campaign, run it as run it easily and hassle-free, where you don't have to worry about generating keywords, long tail keywords, and finding good keyword density keyword on SEMrush and Ahrefs, and then manually writing a blog article. No, it does everything for you, from writing a blog article to publishing and automatic scheduling with Autoblog software. So this is like complete end-to-end blog automation software. Now if I go into the integrations and click on create integration, now you can click on WordPress plugin and you can directly download, install a plugin and upload it to WordPress, and you will be connected. Now you can add as many websites you want, many domains as you want, and then you can write one article per hour intervals and automate it complete automation. This tool is complete automation. But if you want automate your SEO blog articles, and if you want me to set up SEO blog articles, then book a one-on-one call with me. The link will be in the description. Book a one-on-one call with me. I'll help you for free, completely for free, and give you the SEO strategy for your domain personally with a personalized SEO plan.